Welcome to RCM Level 2 Playback Videos. This is example weekly test number 14. We are in the key of D minor. We have a 4/4 time signature, and this example is 2 measures in length. We have a D minor triad, so go ahead and play that with me. This example will be played 2 times. Remember to tap your foot along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Did we start on do? Did we end on do? Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, go ahead and play that back. For the answer, go ahead and turn to page 48 in RCM's 4-star sight reading and ear test book. Thank you.